Ah, cleaning. Picture the scene. You've just spent the last hour tackling the mountain of dishes in the sink. You've vacuumed every nook and cranny, and you're feeling pretty proud of yourself. You turn around to admire your handiwork, and there's a trail of muddy footprints leading from the back door, through the freshly mopped kitchen, and onto your spotless living room rug. Who could be the culprit? Yep, you've guessed it. Your little bundles of joy, also known as your children, have decided to bring the great outdoors inside. So, how do you turn this muddy chaos into a fun-filled, productive cleaning session with your kids? Well, welcome to the magical world of cleaning with children. Imagine this. A family of squirrels have just returned from a fun day of gathering nuts. But oh no, they've brought half the forest back with them. The youngest squirrel, let's call him Nutty, looks at the mess and thinks, this is a disaster. But the oldest squirrel, whom we'll call Smarty, has a brilliant idea. Why not turn cleanup into a game, Smarty suggests. And so, the Acorn Olympics is born. Each squirrel gets a basket, and the game is to see who can collect the most acorns from around the house in the shortest amount of time. Nutty is excited. He loves games. So off they go, racing around the house, gathering acorns, and in the process, cleaning up all the mess they've made. As the game continues, Smarty introduces more challenges. There's the pine cone put away, where each squirrel has to tidy away as many pine cones as they can. Then there's the leaf sweep, where they compete to see who can sweep up the most leaves. Before they know it, the house is clean, and they've all had a great time. So, what can we learn from our furry friends? Well, firstly, never underestimate the power of a good game. Turning chores into a competition can make them much more appealing, even to the most stubborn of children. Secondly, involve your children in the process. Give them tasks that are age-appropriate and encourage them to take ownership of their part in keeping the house clean. And finally, remember to keep things light and fun. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an adventure, a game, or even an Acorn Olympics. To summarize in the words of Smarty the Squirrel, why make cleaning a chore when it can be so much more? So next time you're faced with a trail of muddy footprints, remember the squirrels and their Acorn Olympics. Who knows, your house might just become the cleanest it's ever been.